Hello, my name is architect Mitul Shah from Vadodara. Today I would be discussing our project Vastu Vihar, which is across a plot area of 5000 square feet located right here in the locality of Vadodara. This was originally an old structure with 14 inches thick load bearing walls and having very few beams and columns. The buyers, a young couple, were cognizant of the provenance of their purchase and were prepared to undertake the renovation. They wanted a contemporary home but with a twist, clearly more than just a fresh coat of paint. The bungalow reveals a skewed wall looming large along the driveway as it lunges towards the sky to end in an angled tip. This was designed in relation to the angle of the sun. East wall was replaced with glass to bring in natural light, increase natural ventilation and bring the outdoors in. Sleek staircase was casted in MS to make it almost invisible. Pool was introduced in the west besides entrance. A thick hedge forms the partition between the driveway and the pool, giving the necessary privacy. On entering the home, a large mask of a meditative face about 7 feet high and made from fiber and resin, which has been painted over, is the first thing visible on the wall across. Adding to the drama, a thin beam of green light runs down the center of the face, visible even during the day. The grid-like skylight on the top inundates the high volume of the space with an even diffused glow. The sloping ceiling in the living room was very high. We needed to control the height for modern day considerations of air conditioning. Painted MS sheets with 8 metal trellises inserted in them were used to reduce the height. Natural light pours in from the skylight at the top, providing a diffuse glow through the perforations. They are too high to cast a pattern on the walls or on the floor. The guest room has the bed up against a wall covered entirely with vertical wooden strips, with 2 linear floor-to-ceiling lights embedded in the wall on the bedsides, flush to the wooden surface. Combining drama with function, their sleek linearity replaces conventional bedside lamps and frees up the space on the surface of the tables. Across the terrace outside, dense green treetops are visible. The lounge or the entertainment room of the house has an aesthetic which is quite different from the rest of the house. In the master bedroom, the bed sits on a low platform in a pale burnt wood which rises along the wall behind to form a headboard and then cantilevers along the ceiling to form a canopy which echoes the platform below. Cylindrical masses employed twice within the construction consist of service areas such as washrooms. They were clad in this wooden finish tiles to give them a feeling like a cocoon. The master bath is a luxurious space, its jacuzzi crowned with a skylight. Since privacy was a requirement, this made its placement and orientation important. Thank you for being part of this small journey through Vastu Vihar. In case you have any design queries, post them in comment section below. I would be happy to respond them as much as possible.